Welcome to the Mongolian lesson for beginners. We shall learn the fundamental expressions of the Mongolian language, which are useful in our everyday conversation. Mongolian is the official language of Mongolia, which is spoken by over 5 million people, including communities in China and Russia. It is known for its unique vertical script, though Cyrillic is more commonly used today. The language has a rich history, deeply tied to Mongolian culture and traditions, including its nomadic heritage. We shall first learn to express greetings in Mongolian. Sano is the casual greeting in Mongolian language, which means hello. Sambeno is a more formal greeting used in situations where the conversation needs to be respectful, which can also be used to directly ask, "How are you?" This is an example conversation between you and your Mongolian teacher. Your teacher greeted you in Mongolian by saying, Sano. You responded with a polite greeting. Sambeno. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Sano. Sambeno. Bizuir is the common expression used to reply, "I am fine." Bizuir bishben is the opposite of the above expression, which means, "I am not fine." This is a conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. You inquired your friend's well-being by asking, Sambeno. How are you? Your friend responded, Bizuir. Chamaryoben. I am fine. How about you? You just arrived at your friend's hometown in Mongolia, and you were still trying to acclimatize with the weather conditions. You replied to your friend, Bizuir bishben. I am not fine. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Sambeno. Bizuir. Chamaryoben. Bizuir bishben. Bairsa is a very commonly used expression to say thank you. Zuire is an expression which is used to acknowledge someone's gratitude or even someone's apology. This is another conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. You were feeling very cold and your friend offered you a shawl. You expressed your gratitude by saying, Bairsa. Thank you. Your friend responded warmly, Zuire. You are welcome. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Bairsa. Zuire.
Намайг уучлаарай
is a standard expression of apology in Mongolian language. This is another conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. While your friend was serving a cup of coffee, it slightly spilled on the table in front of you. Your friend quickly expressed regret by saying,
Намайг уучлаарай.
I am sorry. You responded politely. Zuire. It's okay. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Намайг уучлаарай.
Zuire. Танилцсандаа таатай байна is an expression which is commonly used when you are pleased to meet someone.
Баяртай.
Is the standard way to say goodbye. Дараа уулзъя adds a touch of reassurance that you will meet again in future. This is another conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. You had a pleasant stay at your friend's house, and it was time to leave. You bid farewell to your friend by saying, Танилцсандаа таатай байна. Nice to meet you. Your friend responded,
Баяртай.
Дараа уулзъя. Goodbye. See you later. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. танилцсандаа таатай байна.
Баяртай.
Дараа уулзъя. We shall now learn some self-introduction in Mongolian. Нэрийг чинь хэн гэдэг вэ is an expression which is used to ask someone his name. Миний нэрийг is the standard way to express one's name in Mongolian language. This is a conversation between two Mongolian individuals who are meeting each other for the first time. The man asked, "Нэрийг чинь хэн гэдэг вэ? What is your name?" The woman responded, "Миний нэрийг Алта гэдэг. Чамаар юу байна?" "My name is Alta." "How about you?" The man replied, "Миний нэрийг Буянтүшиг гэдэг. My name is Буянтүшиг." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Нэрийг чинь хэн гэдэг вэ? Миний нэрийг Алта гэдэг. Чамаар юу байна? Миний нэрийг Буянтүшиг гэдэг. Та хэдэн настай вэ is a formal expression which is used to ask someone his age. This is a conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. Your friend asked you, "Та хэдэн настай вэ?" How old are you? You responded, "Би 25 настай." Чамаар юу байна? I am 25 years old. How about you? Your friend replied, "Би 20 настай." I am 20 years old. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Та хэдэн настай вэ? Би 25 настай. Чамаар юу байна? Би 20 настай. Айс улсын хүн бэ is an expression which is used to ask the person which country they come from. Би Монгол улсаас ирсэн. Which means I am from Mongolia. Би Индиээс ирсэн. Which means I am from India. This is a conversation between you and a Mongolian person. Judging by her traditional attire, you curiously asked, "Айс улсын хүн бэ? Which country are you from?" She was impressed by your ability to speak Mongolian and replied with a smile, "Би Монгол улсаас ирсэн. Чамаар юу байна?" I am from Mongolia. How about you? You responded, "Би Индиээс ирсэн. I am from India." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Айс улсын хүн бэ? Би Монгол улсаас ирсэн. Чамаар юу байна? Би Индиээс ирсэн. Таны иргэншил юу вэ is an expression which is used to ask someone his ethnicity and nationality. This is a conversation between you and your classmate. You curiously asked, "Таны иргэншил юу вэ? What is your nationality?" Your friend responded, "Би Монгол. Чамаар юу байна?" I am Mongol. How about you? You replied, "Би Индик. I am Indian." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Таны иргэншил юу вэ? Би Монгол. Чамаар юу байна? Би Индик. Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Mongolian lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.